Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up a group cart in Instacart. First, log in to your Instacart account. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then, scroll down and select Start a Family Account or Manage Family Account. Next, invite your family or friends by entering their email addresses. They'll get an email to join your shared cart. Once they join, everyone can add items, and it all goes into one combined order. And that's it! You're ready to shop together on Instacart. And that's how to set up a group cart in Instacart. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.